we guide you through how to enable Stripe Tax. So the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Stripe dashboard and click Settings. Scroll down until you find the tax section, then select Stripe Tax. If this is your first time using it, click Get Started and follow the setup process by entering your business location, tax registration details, and any other required information. Once the setup is complete, enable Stripe Tax for your account. Next, go to your product's payment links or checkout settings and make sure tax collection is turned on wherever you accept payments. Stripe will then automatically calculate the appropriate and the sale tax, VAT, or GST based on your customer's location and your tax settings. Before accepting live payments, use Stripe's test mode to verify the taxes are being calculated correctly during checkout.